Hey, it's Ben here from Solid Essay. Mastering essay writing can open doors to stellar academic performance and improved communication skills. Here are 9 essential steps to craft a compelling essay. 1. Understand your assignments. Know the essay type, whether argumentative, persuasive, or narrative, and the word limit. 2. Choose a topic. If it's not assigned, pick an interesting and manageable topic you can effectively cover within the word limit. 3. Research. Delve into relevant, reputable sources to gather information, data, or viewpoints related to your topic. 4. Create an outline. Plan your essay by structuring your ideas. Begin with an introduction with your thesis statement, followed by body paragraphs, each presenting a unique point and a conclusion. 5. Write the thesis statement. This declares your main argument or viewpoint, serving as a guide throughout your essay. 6. Write the body. Each paragraph should start with a topic sentence, followed by supporting evidence and examples. 7. Write the introduction. It should grab the reader's attention and lead them to your thesis. 8. Conclude. Restate the thesis and main points, leaving the reader with a final thought or question. 9. Proofread and revise. Check for errors, clarity, and cohesion. Remember, practice improves your essay writing skills. Let's make learning easier for everyone. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and join us on this educational journey.